Good day guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rodrigue. In this video I just want to show you these small tools which I've made for my creditors payment or my suppliers payment. This is just a simple Excel tools. This is my payment form. It's my payment form on which you have to input the invoices, the invoice number, invoice date, gross amount, VAT, and the net amount, comment, and the contract. You must assign it to the contract. This is actually for a construction company. So how does it work? To add an invoice to your payment form, you have to click this form and this window or this form will appear, and you choose your creditors. This is your creditor, or you may call it suppliers, and you choose a project and you add the invoice number and you choose the invoice date and the payment date. You may add a comment, whatever comment you may add, and you add your ex-VAT figure or your ex-VAT amount, and it will automatically evaluate the VAT amount and the totals after clicking let's say whatever comment. It may be the descriptions of your invoice content or a summary of your invoice content, and here is your figure. As you can see, the moment you select the cell into this invoice items, it will highlight the whole row, and your total is here. Your totals, if there is any discount, you can apply the discount. The subtotal, less deposit. If you have paid an amount on this invoice in the past, you may just add the figures here, or if you want to return an amount, you may also return it here, and the total, and you may this is allocation summary, and this is your suppliers or creditors bank details, and this is your payment total. You may add as many invoices as you wish, and you may change the project, but you may not change the supplier. So you may change the project, and the invoice amount, the invoice number. If you enter the same invoice number, it will generate, it will give you an error. It will notify you this invoice number already exists on this payment. So you may give a different invoice number. Obviously, this will be as per your invoice from the supplier. And you see, as the project change, you will also allocate it here according to the projects, and your total at the bottom will match this total. And you may save your payments. If I say this is a payment number, payment 66, and this is your invoice month. If you may save, you may print, you may export as PDF, and this button to edit your payments. This is your previous payment numbers. So if you have saved this payment, and it will be saved into my payment. You see payment 66 is here. This how many project, as you click, automatically will send you you see allocated here accordingly, as you can see on the comment box, and all the information regarding your payments are here, and your worksheet is clear, your payment form is clear. You may, if you want to review that payment, and everything is sorted, everything is loaded, and you may also, there's also your payment tree, all your payments here, and you may search a specific invoice or a specific payment. Let's put let me get an invoice number. Let's put invoice number 295. Let's close everything. You see it's loaded. I think it's because let's just pick another invoice, 36,300. If I search, you will locate that payment. You see, it did locate the payment, and it will also load the payment. It will open, it will locate the invoice and the payments, and it will load it for you. So these are all your payments. There are a lot of tools. These are, you can add you can add new suppliers, and you can also add a new project. And you can also assign, once the payment is confirmed from your bookkeeper or your accountant, you just you may set the payment status here, and it will set it to your database as paid or not paid. If you look the payment status here, so you may also edit an invoice. Let's say, for instance, if I want to edit this payments or this invoice, I may clear and it will load the invoice here. I may change the informations which I want. You may change the project, you may change the amount, no, I mean the value or the date or the comment, or add a comment. Let me just change the amount. As you can see, the amount has changed. So there are much more you can do. You may also print your payment list from a specific date to, from a time period. You may print your payment date. So yeah, that is guys, that is what you can do with these payment tools.